Gang, one time I was on the internet and I saw this girl and she pulled beads out of her butt.
But Jeffy, you shouldn't be watching videos like that.
But they were way bigger than this, Danny. They were like the size of baseballs. And when she pulled them out of her butt, they went like she was pulling bubble wrap out of her ass.
I don't want to hear it, Jeffy. Shut up.
But Danny, why would she do that?
What? I don't know, Jeffy. I don't know why she would do that.
Pull beads out of her butt.
I don't know, Jeffy.
What's wrong?
Fuck you, bitch. Jeffy.
Drinking and driving.
What?
That is my daddy.
What? Jeffy, did you shoot me with a Nerf gun?
No.
Wait, Jeffy, what is that?
Fried okra.
Where'd you get fried okra?
The fried okra tree. Herb donor.
That is Jeffy's real father.
Marvin, no, he's a deadbeat. You take care of Jeffy, so you're Jeffy's real dad.
Yeah, you're my real daddy.
Jeffy, don't. It's 2.
74.
What? How'd you get 74?
I pulled it out of my ass.
Jeff!
The fuck are my peanuts?
Phone's ringing. Maybe it's Marvin. No, it's not my phone.
Yeah, it's my phone. Yeah, hello. You have reached the plug. Please, Shibby. Shibby.
Go on, talk.
Jeffy, it's me.
Say Shibby.
What?
Say Shibby.
Shibby.
What was that? Was it some kind of code?
No, he told me to do that before I talked.
Just say what I told you, damn it.
Hey, Jeffy, it's me, Marvin. I was kidnapped.
Sorry, wrong number.
What?